we're here in Eccles in the city of Salford, and what we're here at is a scheme which has been brought forward by for housing.
This is our first of 3 sites where we're delivering our For Futures homes, which have been delivered by For Housing, and this really is a scheme of homelessness prevention apartments. The idea is that we're going to have a 2-year fixed term tenancy for those people who want to get onto a better platform for life.
But what's really exciting about this scheme is that all 12 of those units are going to be at a what we call sub-social rent. So that rent will include Wi-Fi, it includes service charges, and it'll be truly affordable, which is absolutely fantastic when you look at what's happening in the housing market up and down the country at the moment, where a lot of homes that are being built aren't actually affordable when you look at what people are actually earning and what families are earning. So really exciting stuff, which will help us here in Salford and Greater Manchester continue in our challenge to tackle homelessness and rough sleeping.
I think they're great. You've got to do a lot more, get a lot more people on the streets. That's what they need. It'll work for me, so it should work for them. All I need is a bit of trust and a bit of faith, and that's it.